Every sprint begins with the same challenge, a backlog that's growing faster than your team can refine it. Teams spend valuable hours rewriting stories, clarifying requirements, and resolving uncertainty before development can even begin. AI reviews your backlog in seconds, organizing work, identifying gaps, suggesting acceptance criteria, and preparing stories for meaningful discussions. At Agile Yogi, professionals learn how to combine agile expertise with AI, making backlog refinement faster, smarter, and consistently effective. AI doesn't replace your product owner or Scrum team. It removes repetitive work so people can focus on better decisions. With a well-refined backlog, sprint planning becomes quicker, collaboration improves, and teams deliver value with greater confidence. The future of Agile isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. Start your journey with Agile Yogi.